Are you looking for ways to beat the heat this summer? We've got you covered. Hi, my name is Christina Quick. I am the founder of the Profitable Psychic Business Academy, and every June we put on a fantastic and free event just for you. For an entire week, starting on June 14th, we're going to be featuring over 14 free workshops. Yes, you heard me right, free workshops. The summit is a lot like a conference. It's a virtual conference, so you can come in and you can stay inside in the air conditioner and you can watch a whole bunch of free workshops, get some really great trainings, get a lot of free gifts, enter into raffles, win prizes, and celebrate the Summer of Magic with us. So I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the workshops that we have coming up. I'm really, really excited this year. We have a great lineup. Okay. So I will be starting us off on Monday, June 14th at 11 a.m. PDT, 1 p.m. CDT, 2 p.m. EDT. And I will be talking about the healing medicine of serpent magic. You will notice that we have a theme this year of animal medicine and plant magic. So that's what a lot of these workshops are going to have in common. And then right after me, we have Renee Lynn. She's going to be coming in at 5 p.m. PDT, 7 p.m. CDT, 8 p.m. EDT. And she's going to be presenting Psychedelic Baby, Planting the Seeds of Liminal and Lucid Dreaming. On Tuesday, on June 15th, we have Amanda Reno, and she's going to be coming in and talking about how to enhance our spiritual life purpose with essential oils and crystal magic. She's going to be coming in at 8 a.m. PDT, 10 a.m. CDT, 11 a.m. EDT. On Tuesday, we also have Danny Lynn Cole. She's going to be coming in at 11 PDT, 1 p.m. CDT, 2 p.m. EDT, and she's going to be talking about Amaterasu, the sun goddess, and how to honor her. Next, on Tuesday, June 15th at 2 p.m. PDT, 4 p.m. CDT, 5 p.m. EDT, we have Miguel Cruz Cares, and he's going to be teaching us the Three Sisters and practicing magical cooperation. And finally, on Tuesday, June 15th at 5 p.m. PDT, 7 p.m. CDT, 8 p.m. EDT, we have Kelly Morgan, and she's going to be talking about how to work with animal spirit guides for absolute beginners. Starting on Wednesday, June 16th at 8 a.m. PDT, 10 a.m. CDT, 11 a.m. EDT, Marissa Lovett's going to be coming in. She's going to be talking to us about dreaming plant and animal medicine for soul recovery. Later Wednesday afternoon, Madam Z is going to be coming in at 11 a.m. PDT, 1 p.m. CDT, 2 p.m. EDT, and she's going to be teaching us animal symbols in tarot and how to connect with them. And finally, later on Wednesday, June 16th at 2 p.m. PDT, 4 p.m. CDT, 5 p.m. EDT, we have Desiree Peoples, and Desiree is going to be coming in and she's going to be teaching us how to make herb-infused magical oils. On Thursday, June 17th, starting at 8 a.m. PDT, 10 a.m. CDT, 11 a.m. EDT, we have Kirsten Levitt, and she's going to be presenting a workshop on Are You an Animal or Plant Spirit Archetype? Later in the afternoon on Thursday, June 17th at 11 a.m. PDT, 1 p.m. CDT, and 2 p.m. EDT, we have Sylvia Tulgia Delis, and she's going to be talking to us about the animal spirit guides of the four elements. And finally, in Thursday evening, June 17th at 2 p.m. PDT, 4 p.m. CDT, 5 p.m. EDT, Jocelyn Corvus is going to be coming in and talking to us about how to heal your inner child with the fairy realm. Starting on Friday, June 18th at 9 a.m. PDT, 11 a.m. CDT, 12 p.m. EDT, we have Emily Munez, and she's going to be coming in talking to us about how to manifest love and romance through tarot and magical herbs. And finally, our last workshop of the week will be on Friday, June 18th at 2 p.m. PDT, 4 p.m. CDT, 5 p.m. EDT. And Magical Vila is going to be coming in and talking to us about prosperity, easy affluence alchemy in your kitchen. The summit is going to be on June 14th through the 18th. Replays will be available until June 30th. You can RSVP at www.thesummerofmagic.com. You want to also join the Facebook group to attend the live streams. That's at the link below. You can also just type into Facebook and type in Summer of Magic, and you should be able to go ahead and find us at that point. If you have any issues getting into the group or any issues finding us, just comment below and I will help you get into the group. I'm really excited this year. We're going to have so much fun. Please tell your friends about this event. If you have people that are interested in plant medicine and plant magic and animal medicine and working with the natural kingdom in a spiritual way, they would be an excellent candidate to come join us. Again, this is a totally free event. There's nothing that you have to pay for. Just come in, watch the live streams, have fun, interact, meet some new friends, get some awesome gifts, get entered in some raffles, maybe win some prizes, and beat the heat this summer. I will see you guys at the Summer of Magic, and I hope you have an excellent rest of your day. Bye.